Okay. If you're planning to choose CSE in 2026, there's one question you need to answer first. If AI can write codes, if companies are laying off thousands of employees, and if every year lakhs of students are graduating with computer science degrees, then is CSE really worth choosing? Or are students walking into a field that's already becoming saturated? Before you make one of the biggest academic decisions of your life, watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video you'll know what CSE actually is, what specialization exists inside it, what's actually happening inside the tech industry, whether AI is actually replacing a software engineer's job, and most importantly, whether CSE is the right choice for you or not. Okay, so let's start with a simple question. What is CSE? Most students think that CSE is all about coding, but coding is only a tool. At its core, CSE is all about solving problems using technology. Every app you use today exists because someone identified a problem and built a solution. Now think about Instagram. Millions upload photos every day. Think about Google Maps. It calculates the shortest route within seconds. Think about UPI. Millions of transactions happen every minute. Every one of these products is computer. Now that's what CSE teaches you. Programming, databases, operating systems, cloud computing, cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. Not just how to write, but how technology works underneath. Now here's something many students don't know. Modern CSE isn't a single career path. It's an umbrella with multiple specializations. Now, let's look into some major ones. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you've used ChatGPT, recommendation systems, voice assistants or image generative tools, you've already experienced AI. This specialization focuses on building systems that can learn and make decisions. Data science. Every company generates massive amounts of data. Data scientists help convert that data into business decisions. Cybersecurity. Every day, organizations face cyber threats. Cybersecurity professionals protect systems, networks, and information from attacks. Cloud computing. Modern applications serve millions of users. Cloud computing focuses on scalable infrastructure, servers, deployments, and distributed systems. Internet of Things. This combines hardware and software. Smart homes, wearables, connected vehicles, and many more. All of them rely on IoT. Choosing CSE doesn't lock you into one career. It opens up multiple paths. That's why understanding these options before choosing CSE is extremely important. In fact, in the next video, we'll break down each specialization individually, discuss future scopes, career opportunities, and help you understand which specialization might be the right fit for you. Now let's talk about what everyone's worried about. Every week we see headlines. Google announces layoffs, Microsoft restructures teams, Amazon reduces hiring. Naturally, students start asking, is technology still a safe career? The reality is more complicated. Companies have always gone through hiring cycles. The real change today is AI. AI can automate repetitive tasks faster than ever before, which means companies don't need engineers who only do basic coding. Instead, they're looking for people who can solve problems, build products, use AI effectively, adapt to new technology, think critically, and this leads to the biggest misconception students have. AI is not replacing software engineers. AI is replacing repetitive work. The engineers who knows how to use AI are becoming more valuable, not less. Now let's answer the question students and parents care about the most. Will you get a job after choosing CSE? Every year, lakhs of engineering students graduate. Yet, companies still complain about a shortage of skilled talent. How is that possible? Because companies aren't hiring degrees anymore. They're hiring skills. In fact, NITians are securing internships in their first and second year, working on real-world projects, gaining experience long before graduation. Not because they completed a degree, but because they built skills that companies actually need. The degrees opens the door. Your skills decide how far you go. You should seriously consider CSE if you enjoy solving problems, you're curious about technology, you enjoy building teams, you're willing to learn continuously, and you're excited by understanding how things work. You don't need coding experience before joining. You just need curiosity and the willingness to learn. At the same time, CSE isn't for everyone. If your only reason is my friends are choosing it or it has high salaries, then stop and think carefully. Technology evolves constantly. The learning never stops. If you're not interested in technology, problem solving or continuous learning, forcing yourself into CSE may not be the right decision. So, is CSE still worth choosing in 2026? Yes, absolutely, but only if you're willing to build skills alongside your degree. The opportunities haven't disappeared, the expectations have changed. The question is no longer will there be jobs? The real question is will you build the skills those jobs require? Because in 2026, degrees alone won't create opportunities. Skills will. And students who keep learning, building and adapting will always stay relevant. See you in the next video.